morning, everybody. Hope that you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be looking at The Watchmaker, a song by Jen Dial. It's an instrumental piece for patches on the keyboard like vibraphone and lots of different things. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the left hand notes and rhythms that go with the left hand portion of this piece. Thanks to Anna for suggesting it. It's really wonderful, really intricate, really interesting. So the basic backbone of the left hand is one rhythm. It's 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2. Sometimes we take a break on 2 and rest. But it's still basically the same thing the whole way throughout the piece. I think it changes once. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the piano notes without the recording. In the next video, I'm going to play along with the recording so that you can take a look and see kind of some of the more interesting bits and how everything kind of fits together with the right hand, because the right hand's different. Rhythm is very different than the left hand's. Okay, let's get started. On that last note and then lift. Alrighty, check out the next video for this same part played along with the recording.